Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a remote that is not connecting to your TV. And it's a little bit difficult. So I have a Fire TV edition right here, and this is a 50-inch TV. And the first thing I want to go ahead and do is unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Just like this. Now go to the remote and press the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and the left button down at the same time. And hold this down for about 15 seconds and this will reset the remote. Okay, so after about 15 seconds, turn around the remote and take out the batteries. And then go to your TV and plug it back into the wall outlet. Now on your Fire TV, if you go to the bottom here where it says Fire TV, put your hand under here and there will be a small button you have to press up to turn on the TV. Now go ahead and wait for the TV to fully turn on before you place the batteries back in. Alright, so my TV is starting in the background. I'm going to place the batteries in my remote. Now go to the home button and hold this down for about 20 seconds. And you'll notice that the light on the top of the remote will start blinking like orange or something like that. And this is an indication it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode or is trying to sync to a device. And hold this down for about 20 seconds and keep repeating the process. Get a little bit closer to the TV or hold it down for a little bit longer duration, like 60 seconds. Now, if your remote isn't detected, eventually on the screen it's going to say remote not detected, and it's going to give you like a list of things to try, pretty much restarting your TV, taking out the batteries of the remote, etc. Now if it's super stubborn and nothing else works, you can get a different remote and try to connect it. Otherwise, go to your phone. Now locate the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and go to it. Then go to the Amazon Fire TV application. Just type that in on the search bar here and install this application, Amazon Fire TV. This will allow me to control my TV with my phone. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now you have to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, and once you go ahead and do that, your TV will display under here. So if you scroll on down from the top of your phone, go to Wi-Fi, hold this down, and connect to the same Wi-Fi your TV is on. So you can see I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Then here's my TV, Lord's second TV. So let's select this and it's now connecting. Now look at your TV. There should be a 4-digit pin on there. And mine is going to be 5658, and it's going to be a different code for you. Now I'm able to control my TV. Now using your phone, go to the home screen and go all the way to the right to settings. Then go on down and go over to controllers and Bluetooth and select this option. Then go on down to Alexa voice remotes, select this. Then you can go to add new remote right here. Then put your remote in the Bluetooth pairing mode again by holding down the home button. And it should show up under this list. And this should pair it very easily now. Go ahead and simply select it using your phone now. And you want to go ahead and select it and pair it to your Fire Stick. You can then use your Fire Stick remote on your TV very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.